Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take some super simple DIY product photos for your Etsy shop so you can stand out and look like a professional even if you know nothing about photography. You can even use your iPhone, which I will show you how to do. This is super budget friendly and you can get very creative with it to help you stand out on Etsy and increase your visits and your sales, of course, which we all want. If you want to see more videos from me about starting and maintaining your own physical product shop, and especially handmade product shop, then definitely hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you find value in it. But without too much rambling, let's just get into how to take your own DIY product photos for Etsy. So first of all, I just have these two big softbox lights that I purchased off of Amazon. I'll have those linked in the description, and I'm using that as my lighting source. You can use natural lighting if you want. And then I just have this plain wooden table. I like the kind of earthy look that it gives, which matches kind of vibe of my shop. I will show you exactly how I take my own Etsy product photos. It's super simple, and they all, look the same because I want to go for like a theme. But I'll show you some other like styles and ways that you can take your own product photos for yours to be more unique to your shop. So first off, when talking about cameras, I am using my Canon S3. I know nothing about cameras, but this is the camera that I have, and I'll just zoom in all the way so that it has kind of a blurry portrait background. But I will show you how you can make this work with your phone, especially if you have a phone with portrait mode. That's going to be ideal, but you don't necessarily have to, and especially as long as you edit it really well, which I can show you how to do at the end of this video as well. Your product photos can turn out really nice either way. So first off, I'm going to show you how I take my own product photos. So I don't set up a backdrop because I actually use this table as kind of the whole backdrop. So first I will be photographing my Vanilla Rose bath bombs, which look like that. And I generally just sprinkle some roses to kind of accentuate the bath bombs and what's in them. So these are how the photos turned out after editing them in Lightroom. The last one I took with portrait mode, this one here, and you can see that because I didn't use natural lighting, it's very fuzzy and not very high quality. So if you do use portrait mode, make sure you are using natural lighting. And these are what the photos look like on my Canon camera. So to edit the photos, I just go to Lightroom and use my own presets that I created, and then just modify the edits just a little bit, and they are good to go. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to take those pictures that look like they have the never-ending white backdrop. They look super clean and super professional, but they're actually so easy. You can easily do this yourself for super cheap. So what you're going to need is just a plain white poster board. That's probably like 60 cents at like any store. And mine has some spots on it because I took some product photos with it and I was getting creative, so it got a little messy. But yeah, just pick one of these up and then I'll show you exactly what to do with it. So you want to tape the white paper to the wall in like a slanted angle, and that's what's going to make it look like it is never ending, whereas if you have like that sharp corner, then that is not going to give that effect that you want. Okay, so as you can see, you can play around with this and get creative. You can look around your house and see what kinds of props you might have, or you can go to the dollar store or whatever and pick up some props that kind of accentuate what your product is all about. I will show you some other product photos I have taken in the past, just kind of playing around with different colors, different props, different products, and you can kind of see what I mean, and hopefully this will inspire you to go out and try your hand at your own professional looking product photos for your handmade Etsy shop. So that is all for this video. It was just a quick one to share with you how I take my product photos for Etsy. If you enjoyed it, then please give it a thumbs up so that I know to create more content like this, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.